Okay, I can't stop laughing because, oh my goodness, guys, look at all the fabric I have. Now, I'm thinking I'm going to get rid of the basket because that's mainly laces. And I'm using that in my latest Shabby Chic journal. So I'm going to move that one because I've already sorted loads of grungy stuff out for that. But the rest of this, oh my goodness me. I don't know where to start. I really don't. So, in case you hadn't guessed, I am joining in with Susan and Cherie's hashtag show us how you organise. And I said to Susan, I am going to show you and see what I can do with this lot. I'm not sure how I'm going to film it. I think I'm going to have to go through one at a time. I didn't even... this isn't all. Hang on, I'll just show you one more bit. Okay, I couldn't hold the camera and show you. So these are some goodies that I picked up from the car boot last week. And this is just a top, but look at all the lace and all this goodness that I can surely use. I picked up this crochet top that I'm hoping I can use. I can't resist it. Can't resist a bargain. This lace, which, shame it's not cream, but you know, can't have everything. And then this is a window piece where you just put it onto a what do you call them? A pole. And then, but I may cut it, I may use it, I don't know yet. But all those were like, you know, £1. So I had to have them. And I haven't finished because in here is full as well. Guys, what am I going to do? I'm not even going to attempt that today because there's just too much. I can't cope with it. So that lot is staying in there. And that lot hasn't been sorted out or ironed or anything. So that's staying there. It's just been washed. I've just got it in off the line. So let's have a look and see how we're going to organise all those fabrics. Okay, let's start with the easy one. Now, this box here, stuff is all my boho stuff. So that is already organised and that sits in my cubby hole, my IKEA storage. So that is going back because that is organised. That's one I've got because I keep my boho one separately. Now, I've been thinking, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to organise them into vintage, shabby chic, vintage, shabby chic, and maybe grungy. And then colours, maybe? Don't know what you think. We are going to start maybe with the easy ones. Let's start easy, which is this basket here. I'm not going to go through every single thing. Oh, it's just an apron. Okay, so we're going to start with this one. So neither shabby chic. Can you see down here? If I move the camera down slightly. So this is just a piece of fabric that I've picked up from the car boot. I don't know how I'm going to store these. I quite like them in the basket because it fits in my cupboard. I'm thinking blues. Oh, look, here we go. That's not shabby chic or grungy or boho, so that can go there. These should be in there. So I'm going to pop these into that basket, which I'm going to leave here just in case I've got any more. Oh, look, more blue. But also quite shabby chic and... do I put it in the blue or do I put it in shabby chic? I don't know. Oh, this organising thing is very difficult. Maybe we just do colours first and then decide. This is lovely soft fabric, so maybe we'll have to have another one as well for flowers. How do you all organise yours? Because I think I'm going to struggle here. I'm really going to struggle. And I don't think you need to sit and watch me do all this either. but I'm just giving you an idea of how I'm going to do it. Not quite sure. I'm going to go with blues and greys, maybe. If I get a lot of grey, I may change. This is another, I've got so many, look, threads coming off it. These are just scraps that I've picked up from my scrap store. I've got loads from there. This one you might recognise. This is what I covered a journal with. I'm thinking flowers, maybe, as a separate pile. Now, do we go flowers or blue? I'm going flowers. Flowers. Oh, in the basket of embroidery stuff. Okay, flowers. Oh, this is a piece I made. This is like a wall hanging I made ages ago. I don't know why I haven't finished it and put it up. Just put doilies on. I might do some of that. I might do that. I might leave that out. Leave that out, Carol. Do something with it. Okay. Now this is more of a shabby chic. So I've got to find a shabby chic pile. I think I'm going to run out of room. Blue or flowers? I don't know. Blue. Purple. Like a velvet. I think I'm going to put it in the boho box. Flowers. Honestly. Too much. Now this can go in anything. And oh look, I ironed all this stuff. I washed it and ironed it, and now look at it. It's just all creased up again. Well, that's not flowers, but it's not boho. It's not shabby chic. I don't know. Where are you going to go? There must be. I'll have to have a random pile. Right, let me move something. Let me move these. These are all new bits as well. I'm going to put stuff I can't think about over there. Some sunflower bits, definitely going flowers. Oh, plain fabric. Now that doesn't belong in here. That belongs in that ottoman that I showed you. Cushion cover, but flowers. So this is somebody's work that I found. I think I'll leave it in the flowers one. Let me have a look. But oh, hello. How nice of you to drop in. Blues and greys, do we think? Thank you, Snowbell. Honestly, threads everywhere. Let's get some of this off. Now that's more of a brown. Snowbell's now sitting on everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to carry on, and I will be back when I've put everything into piles. That may be tomorrow, the rate I'm going. Okay, I'm finally sorted into piles. It's been a very long afternoon. How small do you keep the pieces that go in the big piles? And when do they, what size do the pieces have to be scraps? This is my dilemma. So I've got my blacks and greys, I've got my creams and whites, blues, yellows, greens, browns, pinks, and underneath are reds and purples because I haven't got very many of them. Still haven't done the little scraps, and I've still got this basket of little bits to go. So now I'm thinking there is far too much. So what I'm planning is to do a bit of a de-stash, I think, because there is just, I'm never going to use this much fabric in my lifetime. And yeah, that's just far too much stuff here. It doesn't look too bad on here, but now I've got to find a place for it. And I've only got one box. I have this box which goes in my unit, my IKEA cubbyhole unit, and I've filled one up already with flowers, the flowers fabric. I mean, I could go through these and see if there's any more flowers, but that wouldn't help that much. How small is a scrap, guys? Right, I'm going to try and do this without shaking too much. So in this basket I have put all the multicoloured bits that don't fit anywhere else, because you know you have them. These are my new ones that I got from Jane. They're on the top, and these are just little bits that don't have a place, or I've got two different colours. This is all my creams and browns. So what I'm doing with the purple, the pink and the red, because I don't use them very often, I'm putting them in this. This is one of my baskets. So I'm going to keep the black, the yellow, purple, there we go, the pink and the red are all going in this basket, and that will be going on my cupboard. I don't think I can lift it up with two hands, so I'll just do that. As you can see, I have all my fabrics sorted, and it's took me pretty much all day, but I'm really happy. All my creams and sort of whites are in that shelf there next to the bits of laces that I'm playing with at the moment. Inside this box, this basket has all my Roxy Journal of Stitchery bits in. This has all my scraps in now, and I can shut the lid, which is amazing. Well, I can shut the lid when this isn't in the way. So everything will fit. Underneath here, I've filled up the doilies and my embroidery pieces. Silks are in this tub here. Still my made stuff, that my little clusters and things are all in there. Little pot of goodies that I picked up from the car boot. This is still to be sorted. It just needs putting away, so ignore that bit. I've got all my magazines here, and then up the top I have my browns, blues and greens and various shades of, and just at the top is, I haven't touched that bit, but I'm really happy with that because it means I can now go for whatever colour I want. So, and it's out in the open where I can see it. Where I've put my fabrics. So in here we've got the All Sorts box, the All Sorts basket. In this one we have all the flowers, and this one has the reds, the pinks, purples and blacks and greys. So at least I know what colour to look for. I know where it is. We've still got to do my laces, which are in that one. I'm not even opening that one yet. It's been a day already, so that will be another one to do. I hope you enjoyed this little organised with me. Thank you to Susan and to Sherry. I'll put the links to their channels underneath this video, so do go and check them out. They are the co-hosts of this collab, and I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.